In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed Google Forms on your website. This is a simple way to place a form directly onto a page so visitors can fill it out without leaving your site. It works well for contact forms, surveys, event signups, and feedback requests. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google Forms. Sign in if you need to, then open the exact form you want to embed. Make sure it is the final version you plan to share because the embedded form will reflect the same questions and structure. Once the form is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the Google Forms editor. You will see a three-dot menu. Click those three dots to open a drop-down of additional options. This menu is where Google keeps some of the sharing and publishing tools for your form. In the drop-down menu, choose the option for Embed HTML. When you click it, a small window will appear showing an iframe embed code. This code is what you will paste into your website so the form displays directly on your page. Before you copy the code, take a moment to adjust the size. In that same embed window, you will see fields for width and height, measured in pixels. Change the width and height to match your website layout. A width of around 640 pixels is often a comfortable standard for blog posts, but you can go wider for full-page layouts or narrower for sidebars. For height, choose a value that reduces scrolling inside the embedded box. You can always come back and fine-tune this if it does not look right after you place it on your site. When you are happy with the dimensions, click the Copy button in the bottom right of the embed window. This saves the full iframe code to your clipboard. Now paste that code into your website where you want the form to appear. This is typically done in an HTML block, a custom code section, or within the page editor where your platform allows raw HTML. Save or update the page, then preview it to confirm the form loads and fits neatly within the design. And that is all there is to it.